This is the byproduct of an 80% natural gas furnace vented through the chimney with a single pipe instead of 2-inch PVC high efficiency model. All this debris rots out at the stack temperature. Vents out going up through a liner in a fake metal chimney. And this is the inside liner that's rusting. It's rusted through and through. So when that first primary liner rots, the rest of the combustion gas starts leaking into this box, infiltrating then into the attic and perhaps into the house. Time to upgrade that furnace to a 95 or better high efficiency condensing gas furnace.